Okay, so if you have watching this video from the beginning related to Git, you know what's the setup is all about. Now I'm inside, let me shift to another branch that is nothing but the feature, one of the TUV, feature TUV branch. And inside that, I will change the TUV. See here, this is modified feature. This is modified feature. So this line have been added to this file tuv.txt. Now remember that we are in the fttuv branch, which is nothing but the feature tuv branch. So let's add it, stage it, and then give a commit message, and you can say modifying the feature, commit and sync the changes. And meanwhile, what happened? Let us see, changes are reflected or not. MERN stack, and in the fttuv, if you go to the tuv.txt, can you see this is a modified feature, and this is not available in the main branch. Let's go to the main branch, tuv. Can you see this is a modified, is not available over here, which means that content is different. Meanwhile, what happened? While this tuv was about to merge, some other developer have merged the code with his or her branch in the main branch, right? And what happened? I'll shift to the main branch. See at the bottom, I'll shift to the main branch, switch to the main branch, and here I can add something. Well, this is patchwork for removing bug. Okay, so this thing has been added by other developer. So that developer have merged branch with the main branch. So here you can say patch release for resolving bugs, for resolving bug, a known bug, we can say known bug, and commit. So if you, when you say sync, this is also push only. So if you go here, now go to the main branch, refresh it. Now if you see tuv.txt, well, this is a patchwork for removing bug. Can you see? And this thing is unavailable, this thing, and fttuv tuv.txt is having some different data. So tuv.txt in our case, here tuv.txt is containing the different data. Let's try to merge it. Switch to the main branch, right? We are on the main branch. Now what we need to do, branches and the merge branch. Merge with what? fttuv. Yeah, see this. Git says that boss, can you see this much is in your current file, and this much thing is coming from another branch. So this you have written, well, this is the patchwork. We are on the main branch, and main branch is having these things till this, sorry, things till this are in this file. Well, this patchwork, this is patchwork actually, I'm sorry, and this is the modified feature. Now if you can see, accept current change, accept current change, accept incoming change, accept both the changes, and compare the changes. Now what I want to do, both the codes I want to keep in the file, but that might not be the case all the time. That might not be the case all the time. You might need to go ahead with your code only. If you want to go ahead with your code and you want to skip this thing, but you need to communicate with this developer that I'm removing your code and I'm just keeping my code, and I'm updating back to the main, accepting incoming change, accept both the changes, compare the changes. So presently I don't have created a separate branch for me. In the real case, what will happen? Generally, developer create their own branches. Developers create their own branches. So the conflicts would come in my own branch, not in the main branch. But presently, I'm alone developer and I just want to show you the scenario. That's why I will do this thing in a main branch itself. Remember that merge will happen generally with the main branch. Well, it's not the case. You may go to the any branch and you may get the data of any branch. That's absolutely possible. Okay, now see, I will see identifying the conflict. Conflicts are start with this marker, end with this marker, and this line differentiate your code and their code. This is your code and this is their code, right? If you click on the incoming change, can you see they have written it incoming change, right? This is your change. So right now in this case I will keep both, accept both. Now you need to make a git add, stage it. Once you stage it, you can say merge branch with tuv, kept both codes. Okay, commit it and click on the sync the changes. It will update the main branch right now. Now let's go here, then here tuv.txt, and can you see inside this, well, this is a patchwork for removing bug and this is a modified feature. Both the things are available in the tuv.txt. This is all about the conflicts. I would like to revise it again. Conflicts, this is very important. It is important to remember the conflict resolution is an interactive and the manual process. The effective communication and the collaboration with the other team members are the crucial to understanding conflicting changes. Remember that it's a manual process and you need to speak with the other developer, right? So Git is having powerful conflict resolution capabilities. Accept their, accept your, keep both. That's how you will handle conflicts in the Git or the VS Code. That's all about the conflict. I hope you have understood the session. I hope you have understood the topic. Let's meet in the next chapter. Thank you. If you get any query, please write it in the comment box.